Cooking with friends can be a fun and inspiring way to spend time together. Cooking together gives you the opportunity to bond over a common activity and to create delicious food together. Plus, it's a great way to get inspired in the kitchen. Blueberry cake has made its way onto dessert tables everywhere, and it's no surprise why. It is the perfect way to celebrate any occasion. When you take a bite of this cake, you are instantly transported to a happy place. The blueberry flavor is so refreshing, and the cake is light and fluffy. It's the perfect dessert for any time of day. Sunsets are a magical and wondrous sight to behold. They bring out the beauty of the sky in ways that can't be replicated, making them a popular subject for photographers and nature lovers around the world. Watching the sun dip below the horizon is always an inspiring sight, and it can remind us of all the possibilities that life has to offer.